Subcontractors need different tools and better visibility. Sub360 streamlines how commercial subcontractors manage bids, projects, and field reporting on one platform. With Sub360's bid management and CRM features, every bid, contact, account, and project location stays organized in one place, giving you clear, real-time visibility through live dashboards. Track bid status, assign tasks, and stay ahead of deadlines with built-in task management, ensuring RFIs, follow-ups, and bid tasks never slip through the cracks. After a bid is won, Sub360 becomes your project command center. Manage budgets, job costs, RFIs, submittals, and change orders through simple, streamlined workflows that keep projects moving smoothly. Track costs and documents in real time to stay organized, on budget, and free from delays. Keep crews productive with integrated time and production tracking, and use project analytics to see financial performance, risks, and overall project health, so you can make proactive, data-driven decisions. Sub360 connects your office and field teams with powerful mobile reporting. Crews submit daily reports, notes, time cards, labor, and production directly from the job site, giving managers instant visibility into progress. Punch lists and tasks update in real time, helping teams stay ahead of schedule and close out jobs faster and cleaner. Streamline your bids, project management, and field reporting with one platform. Visit sub360.com and see how subcontractors work smarter and more profitably.